Am I the only one who dreams of those storybook living rooms, crackling fire, comfy armchair, the works? Turns out that timeless look is totally within reach. Let's talk fireplaces. Traditional fireplaces have a way of bringing people together. There's just something magical about the glow, the warmth, and that touch of old-school elegance. At Basic Energy, we're all about helping Long Island homeowners rediscover the heart of their homes. Whether you're updating an old mantle or building your dream space from scratch, our team knows traditional style inside and out. We take care of everything, from design to installation and even those little repairs down the line. So your only job? Sit back and enjoy. Plus, with 24/7 emergency service, you'll never be left in the cold. Ready to bring timeless charm to your living room? Call us at 516-294-9044 or visit heatgloservice.com. Basic Energy, where tradition meets expert care, right here in Long Island.